Hello all. In this session, we will continue with the scope of different fields in the civil engineering, that is, subdisciplines in the civil engineering. In this session, I'm taking transportation engineering. Transportation means the movement of passengers and goods by means of vehicles on land, ship, on a water, and aircrafts in the air. Transportation engineering is that branch of civil engineering which deals with planning, designing, and construction of roads, bridges, railways, tunnels, harbors, ports, dockyards, that is, harbors, runways, and airports. As for development of any nation, good transportation network is of prime importance, and study of various construction materials used in construction of roads, traffic engineering are also considered under the transportation engineering. So transportation engineering will play a very major role in our day to day life, because without transportation we can't move from one place to another place easily, right? In this transportation, we have different the ways, that is, roads, railways, harbors, and the airports, that is, land, waterways, and airways. So all these design will be comes under civil engineering. In that subdiscipline is transportation engineering. Transportation facility is another important need, that providing good and economical road. Economical road is very important to the public general, because economical road means the road, like, it should reach to each and everyone, the classes, right? Rich, poor, or whoever. So it should reach to everyone. Say everyone will can't, they can't pay every time. So that's why the engineer should make sure they're providing good and economical roads to everyone, that is to public. That is a duty of a civil engineer, and it involves design and construction of base course suitable base course for the roads. Actually, will be having a four different parts in the roads, usually, that will be having a different chapter. Base course, sub furnishes, sub finish means that will be under the base course. You can see one sub finish. After that, surface finish will be there. Cross drainage works, that means the drainage work will be going to section in between the two parts, that is base courses and surface finishes. Cross drainage works will be connected to the road. Intersections, you have seen the intersections. Culverts means the very small bridges, we can see to pass a very small crowd, or some so very small waterfall, that is called culverts. Bridges and the tunnels, etc. And also railways is another important long way transport facility, that is, to design, construction, and maintenance of railway lanes are also the parts of the transportation engineering. Moving people and goods through air, water, and land. I think these three main ways we are having: highways, trains, tunnels, rails, bicycles, boats, planes. So these are the main ways that we are moving from one place to another. Use of engineering to ensure safe and efficient transportation of people and goods. Major specialties are highway engineering, railway system engineering, traffic engineering. That means in transportation engineering, we have three different small sub branches again. And this engineering is very much concerned with safe and efficient movement of both people and the goods. And the project includes, as I said, airports, harbors, roads, highways, traffic engineering, and safety of the traffics. So that also comes under transportation engineering. And what are the roles of transportation engineering? That is, transport and economic growth, place utility of goods, time utility of goods, producer and consumer, preservation of quality of goods, mass production, exploitation of natural resources, transport and urbanization, transport and industrial development. These are the main roles of transportation we are having. Considering all these points, we are going to deal and we are going to design with the highways, airports, and the railways, and also the waterways. We will see the application of main applications of the transportation engineering, that is, application of scientific approach, planning, design, operation, and management of transportation systems such as roads, railways, river and air transports, and also it involves the planning, design, construction, operation, maintenance of the transportation facilities. The maintenance of traffic system or a railway system is also comes in the transportation engineering. Maintenance and upgradation of dockyards, the docks, that is, the ships which is going to that means a harbors, kind of a harbors, airports, railway system, that is based on the requirements. Population growth is a part of this discipline. As per the traffic, as per the the crowd, we are going to deal with the roads or a railways or a airways. So that is a main concept in the transportation engineering. So here you can see, as I said, we'll be having a four different parts in the road chapter. Actually, in this syllabus, we are not having the chapter that is road. So the main basic thing is we have a four parts, main parts in the road. And in the second figure you can see the traffic system. In the figure which I have attached here, the second one, that you have a four lanes, in one road you have four lanes. This will be increased or a decreased regarding considering the traffic. So we are increasing or decreasing, it is all depend on the traffic. And the third figure you can see, either side you have a road, and between we have a traffic separator. So that is very much important because it will avoid the head on collision between the two ways of the vehicles. So in the last figure you can see it deals with the planning and highway material design. Here you can see all the main four the parts of the roads. Okay, so in this session we have seen the transportation engineering separately. Before going to solve any problem, we must know all the basic things. That means roles of what engineers will do. For example, in the surveying, what they're doing, or in the water resources, what is the role, and structural engineers, what they'll do, and transportation, what they'll do. So these are the main basic things we have studied. Thank you.